In 2025, if you are one of the millions of American drivers asking, "Why does my car insurance keep getting more expensive?" You're not alone. And in some states, it's not just getting a little more expensive, it's skyrocketing. Today, we're counting down the top 5 U.S. states with the highest auto insurance premiums in 2025 and exposing the shocking reasons why. And you'll definitely want to stay until the end, because your state might be next on the list. Right now, the average American driver pays around $2,850 a year for basic car coverage, a new record high. But in certain states, that number is climbing to $3,000, $4,000, or even $5,000 a year. So what's behind this? It's a perfect storm of rising repair costs, extreme weather events, a flood of lawsuits, and even major insurance companies pulling out of high-risk markets. Let's find out where it's hitting hardest and why. Coming in at number 5 is Nevada. At number 4, we have New York. The average cost here is about $3,100 per year, making it one of the most expensive states on the East Coast. New York is a whirlwind of insurance chaos, thanks to its dense population, unpredictable weather, and a constant barrage of legal claims. The state's no-fault system means insurers are on the hook to pay out medical claims quickly, and believe me, those bills are anything but small. Combine that with high living costs and expensive vehicle repairs, and New York drivers end up paying a premium literally just for the privilege of parking their car. Sliding into the number 3 spot is Louisiana, with an average premium of $3,400. For years, Louisiana has been battling one of the highest rates of accident lawsuits and injury claims in the entire country. Here, even a minor fender bender can quickly escalate into a full-blown courtroom drama. Throw in the frequent hurricanes and devastating flood losses, and insurers are left facing massive, unpredictable payouts year after year. As a result, some companies have already packed up and left the state, which means fewer choices and higher prices for everyone who remains. In Louisiana, insurance feels less like protection and more like a battle for survival. At number 2, we find Florida. The Sunshine State? Absolutely. Affordable premiums? Not even close. The average driver here is now shelling out around $3,900 a year. Florida's toxic cocktail of hurricanes, coastal flooding, and rampant fraud has created an insurance nightmare. Staged accidents, fake medical claims, and colossal weather-related losses have forced several major insurers to exit the state completely. With fewer providers left, competition has dwindled and rates have soared. If you live near Miami or Tampa, your comprehensive coverage might just cost you more than your monthly car payment. And finally, topping our list as the most expensive state for car insurance in 2025 is New Jersey. The average premium here is a staggering $4,050 per year. New Jersey's close proximity to New York City's metro traffic, combined with its own dense suburbs and one of the highest population densities in America, creates a perfect storm for high rates. Add in expensive medical care and a high percentage of luxury vehicles on the road, and insurers feel they have no choice but to raise rates to cover the risk. And even though New Jersey has strong consumer protection laws, meaning insurers can't easily deny claims, they compensate for that by charging some of the highest premiums in the nation. For drivers here, safety comes at a very serious price. Of course, other states are not far behind. Michigan, California, and Delaware are each struggling with their own unique challenges, from high repair costs to accident density and legal expenses. For example, in Michigan, even after major insurance reforms, the average driver still pays nearly $2,800 a year. So, what's the common thread? It's a combination of risk exposure, a litigious culture, and urban congestion. Wherever you find more cars, more lawyers, and more storms, premiums will always rise faster than the speed limit. If you live in one of these high-cost states, don't lose hope. Here's what you can do to take back some control. First, always compare quotes from at least 3 different insurers. Second, ask about every available discount, like those for safe drivers or for bundling your home and auto policies. Third, consider raising your deductible slightly to lower your monthly costs. Fourth, ask if your provider offers a telematics device. Some companies will give you up to a 25% discount just for using one. And most importantly, keep your driving record clean. Because even in the most expensive state, safe driving still pays dividends. Insurance costs might be on the rise, but knowledge is still free. Now you know where rates are highest and why. If this video helped you understand the numbers behind the headlines, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share it with a friend who's feeling the premium pressure. Thanks for watching.